Let's see. Okay. We're live. Share screen. Entire screen. Entire screen. Cool. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So now you have your viewing info, and then you can continue your Joblet. Click on Joblet on the left. Joblet basically it's an apartment. You can think about that way. Joblet. Do you see it? Joblet. Only Joblet. Yeah. So you can create Joblet. I think they probably didn't save it. Oh, you can go back to the first one. I think it probably on the first tab on the top, very top, on the very top, outside the browser, on the top. Like no. Yeah, on the browser, very top of the browser. There's another tab, right? I think. Okay, cool. Now you can create Joblet. You can continue the creation of Joblet. Yeah. Or you can give it a text. You can give it a tags. You can give it a tag in the text. You can say, hey, this is related with butter. Butter. Okay, cool. Then you create Joblet. Okay, now. Okay, save. Now you just wait for a couple minutes. Now you have a server. And you have a server means you have a home now. And the server, it's basically located by IP address. Because IP address is a bunch of number, like people just don't know how, like, I can just I don't know how to access that the IP. I cannot remember that address is a bunch of number. So then someone invent like domain, which is a address that it's easier for people to remember. So in theory, you can actually just use this as your home address without connecting to a domain. But most of people don't do that because it's so hard to remember number. So now we have domain. Then we need to buy a domain right now. So we need to have a domain. You can buy it from Namecheap. You can buy it from GoDaddy. GoDaddy usually is more expensive, so you can buy one. Yeah, I think you are already, right? Yeah, just log in with your account. Do you remember your GoDaddy account? Mm-hmm. Are you in now? You can search for the name like later on. Right now, if you just want to learn how to do it, whatever domain name you have, do you have any domain name? You have a domain name of your name, right? You can try to use that name too. If you are not, as long as you are not using that my product, yeah. Yeah. So whatever you are not using, we can use it right now. Lindsay Love, are you using it? If you are not using, okay, then we can use this as an example. You need to verify, yeah. A lot of verification, yeah, need to be happening. Cool. Can you full screen so that we can see better? Yeah. Cool. Then go to domain. And then go to DNS. And add a new record. At. It's basically a standard type. And at, yes. And that IP address you have on your DigitalOcean. Not this, yeah, this one. Go to GoDaddy. I think it's on your cert, yeah. And then, yes, and then confirm, save. Cool. I think you probably need to delete the second one because they are somehow conflicting with each other. I think you need to delete one of them that it's not the domain. Maybe you, which one is not the one? Okay, then delete it. There's a delete icon on the right. Yes, confirm. This is probably a previous domain. Okay, now it's connected to this server. Okay, now you can close the tab of GoDaddy now. So basically, it link your home address to this host, and right now you just need to know how to deploy to the DigitalOcean. That's it. So the last step you need to do is go to cursor, say on the right, just say some type. Say, hey, I want to deploy this whole app to a server which is copy and paste the address, yeah. and then the domain name. No, just say the domain name is. Is what? LindsayLove.com. I want, okay, yeah, it's fine. We can do like two, but it's better we can describe it clearly at the beginning. But basically, that's what you need to do. And then, in order to like make it faster, you want to say, hey, I don't want to, type in the password every time. Every time I want to deploy, then you can even use another code that can basically autofill your password for you. But if you don't feel it's safe, maybe you should not do that right now. you can just like every time it deploy, it will ask you for a password, and then you just type in the password. You just set up on DigitalOcean to access to your server. Okay, let's go down to see. No, the cursor part, the cursor chat. So it will teach you how to do it. Okay, cool. So how do I upload to my server? It didn't upload. So all this step, it teach you how to set up to the on your server, but you need to upload the setup. So you need to do two things. One is set up your server, then upload all your code to the server. So set up server, basically when you buy a house, you need to furnish it. You need to make sure you have toilet, you have bed, you have everything. So this furnishing is called setup. So in order to set up, you need to upload the setup script first. Right now, it write it for you, but you need to upload this setup script to your server. The way to upload it to the server is through SSH. So you can say, hey, can you upload the setup script for me? And do the, yeah, no problem. So you need to do two things. One is setup, one is like deploy, one is like upload. So that's the first time. It's going to be a little bit tricky because the first time need to, you don't need to just wait until you finish. Yeah. So the first time it's tricky because if you didn't set up correctly, you will run into a lot of problem. But if you are able to set up correctly, then you can get it done like just quickly, because it's just the things you need to do. You need to furnish your house, and then you need to send all your stuff to the house. So you send yourself to the house before you live in their house. You want to make sure it has everything, right? So that's kind of the process of setting up your environment, your host, your server. So set up your server means furnishing your server. So right now we want to wait until you set up. It's stuck somewhere, and you can open a new chat and then try again. Because when it's like too many like messages, it just gets slowed down. So you want to open a new chat. Open a new chat and then say whatever you need to do. Say, hey, can you upload the setup script and help me run the setup script on the server? And my IP address is da da da. Because this is a new chat now, it doesn't understand. It doesn't have the context of the previous one. So you can no. So you need to be detailed again. Cursor doesn't multi like chat cross like communication. They don't do that yet. ChatGPT might understand what you did in other chat, but Cursor doesn't do. Yeah. Okay, you don't do this. You don't do this because when you do this, copy. No, don't do this. Copy the previous one. Yeah, this one, previous one. Cool. And then no, just the command line. Yeah. Just what's inside, not including the outside. Don't include the outside. Just whatever inside. There's a copy icon on the top right. Yeah. Yes. I think this is, yes, this is. So You want to copy this one and paste into the terminal. Open a new terminal in the middle button. Done. Terminal done, like done. Yeah, this is the terminal area. So open a new one. There's a plus there, on the right, in the middle, and yeah, here. And then paste, and then enter. Okay, cool. You say I want to as fail. Try to can you make the terminal part bigger so that I can see the message? The terminal part. There's a divider there. You can jack it up. You can jack the divider line up so that I can see more context. Yes. Cool. Don't jack it so so up. It require connection out. Host key verification. Can you try SSH? Can you type SSH space root and add the IP address? No. No. You have to delete. No, just one by one. Just like click on the delete icon. Yeah, just delete. So, SSH root and the IP address means I'm going. Oh, don't delete. SSH root space root at no space between at the IP address. Go to DigitalOcean. Yeah, the first one. I think you probably go to the first. Yeah, this one. Okay, cool. Come back a little bit. No. There's no space in between root. You can type in your cursor, type in your arrow, and then you can control it. Okay, doesn't matter. It's one more time. You can move your arrow instead of your delete button. You can left right, click on the arrow. No, the arrow left right. Yeah, and then click on enter. Okay, yes. Just say yes. And the password you have. Like the server, the one you set up just now on DigitalOcean. The crazy password you set up on digital. You probably copy somewhere. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, it's already pasted. Just enter. It's invisible. It doesn't want you to see it. Yeah. One more time. Okay, cool. So you're able to enter your server now. So go to another terminal. Open another terminal. Yeah, and go to our chat. Go to our cursor chat. Yes, copy, not this one, the first one. This one, yeah. Try again. The reason why it was not working is because you need to set it up first. You need to be able to enter. Okay. This is wrong. So you can tell cursor, say, hey, I want to be able to SS. I want to be able to SS. SS. No, no, SSH. Means secure something like portal into my house. So you can say I want to access with password into my server. With password into my server. SSH space into with password my server with password into my server. And also use SCP to upload. Okay, cool. So there are two ways to access your home. One is you can understand, oh, you can have a key to open the door in a house. Another one is you can wireless control something and the door open. So I usually suggest to use the password so that you can always control, in more control. Can you go down? Okay, cool. Can you say, hey, yeah, can you just upload my server setup code? Setup code, yeah, just do it. Okay, you will do it. No, don't it here. No problem. One more time. You can copy and paste that one. Copy paste the second one. Go down. It teach you. Go down. Yeah, go down. Oh yeah, this one. Open terminal and run this. Copy and paste that. The first step. Copy. Can you see it? No, 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 no. You see? In your terminal chat, there's a step one, open terminal and run. Yeah, copy this, yeah. And put into the terminal. Terminal is in the middle. Yes, this is called terminal. And then copy and paste and enter. And type in your password. You can copy and paste from your, yeah. And enter. No, the password is wrong. Just paste one time and enter, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, now yes, now all the code is on the server. Now you can go to run on the server. That makes sense? Yeah, the next step is, do you remember you have another like a terminal that it's already access to the server. So go to the right in the middle, go to the right. Right. There's a panel. Yes, this is a panel. Okay, cool. Choose the previous one. Yes. This is the one is already on the server. So can you type ls? Yes, lowercase. That's it. Enter. Okay, cool. Now the setups list all the kind of document. List. Ls means list all the documents. So you already upload to the server. So you basically already have these three furniture in your house now. Now, one is set up the server means that, oh, you probably have a package. Setup means open all the package. Then you finish your, so you can dot slash setup server. Typing that one, setup hyphen server dot csh. Dot sh, yeah. Okay, cool. Enter. Oh, permission denied. You can copy and paste this one. No. Yeah, copy from the last 3 sentences. Yes, last 3 sentences. Okay, cool. And then add to chat. Add to chat. There's a small icon called add to chat when you highlight it. Can you highlight it again? Cool. Add to chat. And then you can say, hey, how to solve this problem. Yeah. So basically, for all the SH like kind of code, it doesn't want, so you want to either do the bash or you can copy and paste the second one. Let's do the second one. No, like the chat, because yeah, copy that one. Copy those command, yes. Copy and then paste it here. Paste it in the terminal. In the terminal, not in the, yeah. Okay, enter. No, not enter here. Enter in terminal, yes. Okay, now it's running, it's setting up. So it's unfolding everything right now. So it's installing, unfold. Yeah, vision. So unfolding everything. Then the next step is you want to ship all your stuff into the house, right? So first you need to furnish it. Right now it's furnishing it. So the idea of setting up the server is furnishing. So before furnishing, you need to upload the package, basically send the package, send all the furniture to your house first, and then open it up. Then now it's opening up. Then you open your package, then everything is there. Now you can ship your clothes because like there are 2 steps. One is that the basic needs, the basic setup. Second is your personal needs, which is your own code, your own website. So this, we are doing the first step right now. And the second step is basically put all your clothes into this house. Then the website is live. That's it. Okay. Can you LS again? Cool. And you can copy the whole things. Copy the whole thing. No, like Command A. Command A. No, like click on the whole things. Yeah. Command A. Okay, cool. Add to chat. So what's next step? You can say, hey, what's next step? Should. Okay, yeah. Okay, then go up. Just step by step doing it. Go up. No, go up here. Wait, go down. What did he suggest? No, not this one. I think before this one. No. What did it suggest for? Okay, this one, right? Okay, first this one, right? Yeah. Just copy and paste this one. Yeah. Enter. Okay, good. Okay, step 2. Oh, then this one need to do it locally. So you need to switch to the local terminal, which is the last terminal. The last one, yes. This is local one. Yeah, then do it here. Fuck. Hello? Yeah, we can continue. Share. I don't know. I can only see the number. Oh no one is watching right now. Yeah, so we're safe. But some people like come in and out, you know, that's how live streaming works. And then we can also, if we want a lot of people, we can also pay to get user to come in. So that's also how it works. So if you are a live stream company, a lot of time they actually pay for the audience. They pay to get the traffic and they try to close the deal. That's how they do. Yeah, that's how they do it. And right now, since we're beginning, we're not really having a lot of follower user yet. You can share your screen. We can finish up the stuff. Yeah, all these things are very valuable. Like everyone who want to kind of develop a whole website, that's basically all they need to learn to develop a simple website. If they want it to be more complicated, then we have level 2, level 3, level 4. Can you share your screen? Cool. Yeah, let's do it step by step. Now, okay, it's set up the configuration on the server now. Now you just need to upload everything from your local to the project folder. So yeah, just like copy the code from the second part of the cursor suggestion into this. Don't copy this. Copy from the cursor chat, the second part, and then into the terminal, which is local. This is on the server side. This is local. Yes, and enter your password. It's a lot of back and forth, but that's basically what you need to do. Paste. Okay, now you're uploading all the code from your, and now it's on the website now, on the server now. So I think you should be good. Let's see. Okay, then on the server side, on the server, this is, you can ignore this part. You are not using GitHub, just the third part, yes. On the server side, copy and paste this one on the server and do it. You want to make sure, okay, if there's a problem, copy and paste. Yes. Okay, let it install. So the idea is that when you're uploading your stuff to the server, you probably need to figure out, okay, you ship all your clothes, all your personal belonging to this house, but you still need to place them, right? You don't want to say, hey, all the clothes on the desktop, all the clothes in the kitchen. So you want to put the clothes into your wardrobe. You want to put the dishing, everything that you used to eat in the kitchen. So that's what you need to do. Now there's some error, some problem. You can just like highlight the arrow from wherever you paste the code, and then add to chat and then say, hey, can you fix it? The error is go up. Yeah. So here from here. Down. Here. So from here, right? So you paste, yeah, from root here, all the way down, and add to chat. And say fix it. So when you have error, then you have the AI to analyze what's going on, and you keep your suggestion on how to fix it, and then just copy and paste into the right terminal, right place, and run it, and then everything will be set up. Cool. Going down. Okay, it's still trying to fix your stuff. Okay, go to your local, go up, and go to the cursor chat. Cursor chat. No, don't change your terminal. Yeah, go up. Let's see what the cursor wants us to do. Let's do it step by step. Okay. Let's go down. Those are not the step it already did for us. So go down. Okay, this is the first step. What it does want you to do. Okay, on your Mac, the local server, the local computer. Yes. Copy and paste. Click. Yes. Enter. Password. Cool. So now you have everything. Go down the cursor. Check. Okay, then you should do this bash something. Bash fix everything, and then go to your server. Can you ls? Okay, cd deploy. Yeah, space. Yeah, means like go into the deploy folder. ls. Yeah. To see what's inside the folder. I don't see anything. ls. Okay, now you have the fix Prisma on server /. You can copy and paste this one. Copy and paste bash. No, on the cursor chat. Yeah, copy this one. And then put it there, yes. So bash basically run the things. Okay. Can you copy and paste the arrow and then try to fix it? From the root. Yes. From wherever you put the bash in that line. Yeah. All these are related. Add to chat and then say what's going on. So that's how you like go up. Can you yeah, you probably want to upload the code again. I think it's because you didn't upload it correctly. So go to your local terminal. Okay, cool. Copy and this one. Now copy the one on the cursor. The cursor chat. Yeah, and then paste there. So basically the idea is that the cursor give you a bunch of things you should do, and then you just follow the step by step, whether it's from local, whether it's from the server. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's what you need to do. This part, it's kind of, a little bit confusing because most of people don't know what's going on. Essentially, R S N S so R S Y N C, it means syncing. So it basically synchronize whatever you have in your local folder with the server. Basically, whatever you have in your house near you right now, instantly like synchronize. Basically, whatever that your house don't have, you will basically have whatever you have right now. So whatever clothes you have right now, it make a copy, and they also have that clothes. So that's what this RSYNC does. So whatever you have locally, it basically synchronize, make a copy. You have a bag here, then you make a copy so that your house also have a bag. That's the idea of. Okay, so you just did that. The reason why you need to do that is because you have some error on your house. Because why there's error? Because you are not only shipping your clothes, your device, everything to the house, but you also need to set up the database, which is the Wi-Fi, everything you need to access outside. So you need the passcode, you need everything connect to other things. So that's why if it's just a very like simple website which has no database, it's easy because you don't need to care about the Wi-Fi, everything else. It's just moving. But if you need to care about the database, everything else, then we're talking about the Prisma. So yesterday, last time we were setting up the Prisma, the database locally. But when you have the local database, you need to make a copy on the server. Then the server have the same database you can access to. Otherwise, whatever works locally doesn't necessarily work on the server because the server doesn't have the same data you have locally. So for example, yesterday you created a lot of dummy data. All this dummy data is in the local database. None of them is on the server right now. When you ship the code, it only ship the code. It doesn't ship the database. So right now, you need to see if it works or not. You can go to lingzylab.com to see whether it works. Most likely, it's still not working because the database is still not finished yet. Yes, so it's almost there. You just need to finish up whatever it's left. So you say, hey, what's next? You can ask cursor and say, what's next? Can you go up? I want to see what's the last step. Okay, cool. It asks you to build the stuff locally. Can you copy and paste? Go up? No. Go up. Yeah, go up. Yeah, this part you didn't copy and paste yet. Go up. This part you haven't copy and paste this one. No, this one. Step 2. Yeah, this part you haven't done it yet. Yeah. Okay, let's go down to the cursor chat to see what it come up. Okay, let's go up. Go down. Go up. Okay, let's see. Do this, yes. Copy and paste on the server. Go to the server. You have the terminal on the server. Terminal on the server side. No, not on the local side. So you have the local terminal and the server terminal. Yeah, the server terminal is the second one, the previous terminal on the right side. You can switch the terminal on the right side. Yes. Can you CD? Yes. Okay. Enter. So there's an arrow there. Can you copy and paste all the things and have the cursor to fix it? Yes. So there are a lot of situations where the package, when you open the certain like furniture, it doesn't fit your house. When you open your bed, the size is too big. When you open your your pot, it's like it's not the right size. Even though you order them from the Amazon, none of them fit none of them like it's the right size. So you need to figure out which one is not the right size, and then you need to kind of fix all this like furniture here and there, because ideally everything you order from Amazon and ship to a home should be exactly what you need. But in reality, it's not always the case. So it always happen, there are a lot of problems here and there. That's why there are a lot of bugs you need to fix. So that's why there's so many, people who kind of almost there, but still kind of, oh, fuck, why it's not working? And it's just how it is, when you are trying to open, try to do something and try to ship everything to your house. You think I already ordered it correctly. Everything I did is right. And it's just not working. So that's just like what happened most of the time. That's why you need skilled. That's why you need expert. You need people who have more experience messing up stuff, have more experience, know what's going on, and have more experience, like, like understanding of like what can be messed up, and then try to find out the best way, the easiest way, the quickest way to fix it, and then deploy it, and then you have a website live. So right now you are 99% there, because you already try to ship everything to your house, but some of the things it's just not working. Maybe your Wi-Fi, you know motor is missing. Maybe the cable of your iPhone is missing. Maybe, like, the something, the switch is off, whatever. That's why you want to go follow the instruction again. Can you go? Okay, cool. Yes, do this, redo this. No, this is local. It say from local, from your Mac. So you want to go to your local server. Yes, and then your password. One more time. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then SCP, you can do this too. Make sure everything is uploaded. The second, no, just copy and paste the second one. No, the all with SCP. use the password. Yeah. So basically, what we are doing, we try to reship everything from Amazon to your house again. We basically say, hey, we don't care what shipped before. We just reship everything after we fix everything. So that's what we are doing right now. So you see like a lot of things uploaded. And then after you ship to your house, you go to your server. Server is basically your house. This one will take a little bit time because you ship everything to the house now. It depends on the project. Some of the project are very small, some of the project are very big. If it's big project, it probably take like 5 to 10 minutes. If it's a small project, it usually takes just like a couple of minutes. Some of them takes half an hour, some of them take few minutes. Depends on how big your project is. But right now you are essentially shipping everything again, including like everything. Before you only ship the bed, but right now you kind of ship everything, including the things that you can use to open your bed. So you also ship all the tool. So there are two ways to set up your home. You ship everything to your home, but you also buy a lot of things locally, which is installing a lot of things locally, which is basically buying a lot of tool, your toolkit. Oh, I need to, nail this. I need to uh, fix this bed. I need to, you know, snap the things together. You need a bunch of tools. You can buy these tools through two way. One is that you ship. When you ship all the bed, you ship the toolkits too, or you just ship the bed, and then you buy the bed on the server. You basically install everything on the server, so you can do two way, so that you can have all the tool set and all the furniture. Then you need to do something to put them together. So that's essentially what's going on right now. We are shipping everything to your house again, and then after we ship to your house, we try to rebuild everything. So npm run build is basically blah, 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 like build everything for you. Like if it works smoothly, it should just one line of code and it should be done. But if something like it's not working, it just like you need to figure out whether it's like the Wi-Fi is not working, whether it's like the toilet is not working, because like the server just tell you it's not working. It doesn't tell you like whether it's the toilet is not working, whatever it's so you only receive the overall complaint, which is that, oh, your website is not opening up, but you don't understand the detail. So we as Vicoder experts basically help you to figure out whether it's the pipe broken up, whether it's like the Wi-Fi broken up. So that's what we do. We help you to figure out where it's broken up. So AI can help you to get 80%, 90%, even 99% there. You still want to be somewhere like understanding like what's going on. And if something happened, I know, okay, that probably is the pipe problem. That's probably the kitchen's problem. That probably you want to know what's going on. That's how you can narrow down the problem. When you narrow down the problem, then you try to see like the arrow, the message, like the hint, and they try to test it to see if it's really that problem. It's just some deeper problem behind it. So you need to kind of figure out what's going on, and that's where it becomes tricky, and that's when it become like something that you need to know. AI actually only can help you solve all the problem if you know how to instruct them. But if you instruct them like wrong in the first place, then AI will do it more wrong. Then your home will essentially mess up. You probably have 100 bad shipping to your home, and you just need one bad. But because you don't know what's going on, you ship 100 bad to just don't know what's going on. That's why we build securely. We help you unstuck. Okay, cool. So everything is uploaded to your server now. Everything is shipped to your home now. We go to your home. Let's go to your home terminal. And then copy and paste the last part from the cursor chat. From the cursor, yeah. Yes, I run it on your server, yes. Cool. It's building everything now. Pa, 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 pa. You hope everything works. If it works, then your website should be running. If it's still not working, then there's other things coming out. So, but essentially, your home already has everything. Your home has the tool. Your home has the code. Your home has the material. Your home has the bed. Your home has whatever. Your home already has everything. Now we are just trying to assemble them so that everything is in place, so that everything can work. Okay, cool. Cool. I think there's still some bugs. So you copy and paste all the things that happen. No, from I think it's the last like 200 lines of, so from whenever you copy and paste to wherever it's finished, yeah. When do you think you copy and paste? Yes, yeah. You can try, yeah. PF. Oh, yeah. You can say CD space. Okay, you see. Okay, yeah. So you copy from the root. From the root, yeah. From the root. From root, yeah. The left, yeah. All the way down, and add to the chat, and then say, hey. Okay, you can say fix it or whatever. So basically, try to fix whatever is still kind of unfinished. It's already 99.5 there. Now it's fixing whatever remaining, Okay, go down. You don't need the fix anymore. Just you can remove that fix. Remove, yeah. Okay, cool. What you need to do, let's see. Go down. Go down. Go up. Okay, you need to re-upload again and then rebuild. Yeah, that's what you try to tell you. Okay, just wait until you finish. Yeah. You're 99.5% there. Okay, cool. Don't run all the stuff in the terminal. It's not really working through cursor. Can you go up? Yeah. What do you suggest? Go up. Go up. What's the first step? The first step is okay. It already did it for you. Okay, let's go down. What he want you to do? This is like, let's see. This is upload the stuff again. Can you copy and paste the whole thing? No, no, copy whatever is in the cursor. No, no, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Yeah. Don't run, don't run. Yeah, just like, yeah, copy and paste. Yeah. Because it's not working in the cursor. So go to the local. Go to the local terminal. Yes. Run again on the terminal. Yeah. Paste. You say use SS. Go to the turn. Go to cursor. Cursor chat. Say, hey, I want to use SSH with password without the public key. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you don't need to deal with all these things. Go up, go down. Just like redeploy everything. Just say, hey, write a deploy script for me. Write this script so that I can just run it. Yeah. So the deploy script is basically there are many steps, right? Like ship your stuff, fix here, here, here. There are like 10 steps you need to do. Deploy script is basically saying, can I put 10 steps into one to-do list? And then I just do the to-do list, and then it's step by step. If there's anything wrong, go down. Go down. Okay, cool. Go down. Go up. Yeah, here. Yes. Yes. Yep. Password. Yeah. 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 One more time. Cool. So, so when you're shipping everything to your home, it try to build everything, then you realize, the bed is still broken. It's still missing a wood piece. Then you fix everything on the other side, and then reship everything. So the way it works is that you can either just ship whatever is missing, or you can just like fix the order, then ship everything and override whatever you have in your house, so that it override instead of adding one more piece. You override. Oh, you have a bed? Okay, I have bed. If I have bed plus a bed desk, then I override bed, and I have bed plus desk. So I can override whatever you have there. That's what we're doing. So we fix and then we reship again to override whatever you have in your home right now. So that when we if it works, then it works magically. So that's kind of like what's going on. Right now we just fix whatever is on our local and then reship. Our local is basically whatever we have in the factory of China, whatever. Now we ship again. And how do we ship it? we use the deploy script. The deploy script is basically a to-do list. Deploy.sh is basically a to-do list of, okay, I'm going to ship that, I'm going to ship desk, I'm going to ship refrigerator, I'm going to ship this. So in the past, we basically need to do step by step. You probably need to like ship 10 times, 10 things before you can actually live there. So that's what backend's all about, like, can you just copy and paste and then have the code to fix, copy and paste. That's some error. Yeah. Yeah, the whole thing, yeah. Now it's probably simple stuff, but even though it's small, it still can. Okay, here. Okay, copy. No, just here and add to chat and then fix it. Cool. Now it's like small like error here and there. You just keep doing that. When there's error, you copy and paste the error and have it fixed and do the same thing. Yeah. Go to bash. Yeah. And go to your local terminal, which is your local. Go yeah. Go down to the. Yeah. Do it again. Yes. And password. One more. So what's going on right now is that all the tool, they need to, for example, you want to like screw something, the screwer need to match the things exactly. So when you buy the tool, it might be wrong. It doesn't match exactly. That's why when you try to fix the bed, it doesn't work. Now you need to go back to fix, oh, the tool I bought is wrong. I need to buy a new tool. So the AI can help you to finally kind of fix every tool until it's all like correct, 100%. Then you ship again. Then if everything works, then it works. So we're getting closer and closer and closer to the the endpoint. So yeah, it's just like building a house. It's not going to be easy if you have a lot of things you want to put into a house. You want your house to look beautiful, you want your house to have multifunction, like you want your house to have everything. Then you kind of need to make sure all these things are in the right place. But if you just want a simple house, I want a simple house, I don't even need refrigerator, I don't even need a toilet, I don't even need anything. You just need a place. Then okay, sure. Then just ship a bed there. Then you are good. That makes sense? So the reason why we have so many bugs, because our website is actually very complicated. It's a platform. We need people who post. We need people who can see the post. We need the matching. We need people to be able to message each other. It's actually very complicated. So your house is very complicated. That's why there's so many details coming up that can go wrong here and there. But after we fix them one by one, okay, I think this is going to be the last bugs. Just copy and paste, do the same thing, copy and paste, and do the same thing. No. The code, that's the error. Copy whatever is wrong in the terminal until it deploy. Yeah, until you deploy. You don't need to go up all the way up. You just need to go to until you just deploy last time. Go down. I think it's somewhere here. Yes. Yeah. And add to chat. And then fix it. And I think this is going to be the last fix. Okay, let's do it. Share your screen again. Cool. So yeah, just copy the whole thing. Yeah, and then fix the whatever is error there. Add to chat and then fix it. So just do it. Keep doing it until all the bugs fix. And this is the if you want to be more efficient, then you probably want to turn on the better like mode, which will cost more money. But if you're a beginner, I would just suggest you to just use the auto right now, what you are using right now. You kind of understand the process of, doing it. Yeah, just do it. Yeah. If I want better AI, I will change it to better AI, but it will cost more money. Click on the auto, click on the auto, and click on those text. Click on it. Then you can change to better model. But all these are more expensive. So before you know what's going on, I would suggest you just use the auto, which doesn't cost you that much money. Copy and then paste into the terminal. And then do it again. And then password. Yes, password. So that's kind of the process of building app. You can literally build it by yourself, but if you think you as an entrepreneur should spend your time elsewhere, then you should hire someone like me on Skilldy. You know, like you focus on the business side, they focus. Yeah, it should be working. Yeah. It's a fun process of learning, fixing, but at the end of the day, you still need a programmer to help you. So that's why it's helpful to have our own demand, expert service platform where when you need an expert to help you, then you help you. But a lot of time you can try to fix everything by yourself. But if it just doesn't work, then you should hire someone to just help you with the last step. And it probably just take you a couple hours next month, which will cost you just a couple $100, which will save you 2 months maybe. So then you think about it. If you try to build it by yourself, it probably take you 2 months. How much is your time worth for 2 months? So why not just hire experts? There are plenty of them. Okay, do it one more time, and then it should be all good. I think there was just more error. That's it. No. Just copy the arrow and then paste into the cursor chat until it's correct everything. That's it. Just do it multiple times. Are you sure you copy everything now? Okay, cool. Yeah, it basically the AI can only write 90% right. So you will fix themselves. Once you tell them, oh, you have problem here, problem here, problem here, problem there, you will just keep fixing. Okay, then redo it again. Redo that deployment again. Copy and paste the copy and paste the yeah. Oh no. You don't need to do this again. Yes, copy this one, yes. And do this again. Password. So right now it's like fixing here and there. Does that make sense? Yeah, and that's why it takes a little bit time to fix. Oh, a little bit error here, a little bit error there. You know, then yeah, you are 99.9% there right now. It's always so close. It's always so close. But this is already the best way to program. Back then, like 20 years ago, it's impossible to build any website in few hours. It's impossible. Like the project you are building right now would take an expert like me for 3 months. Basically, I need to spend 8 hours per day in front of the computer program for 3 months in order to build whatever you are building right now. Yes. Because when there's no AI, you don't know what's wrong. Once sometimes like something goes wrong, you don't know. Then you need to study what's wrong. You want to study why the bag's not, why this scooter is not working. Oh, what other brand out there I can buy? Is the scooter good enough? Or how long it would take? Then when you buy a like scooter, it takes you another 2 days, and what else can you do during this process? Like everything, just like no one can help you. AI basically help you organize all these things. That's why nowadays one expert equal to like a lot of expert in the past. So do it again, you're almost there. It's frustrating because you have a lot of data. You have message, you have date, you have I okay. Just be patient. Don't copy so many things. You only guess wrong like the last step. Like go to the last one. I think you only I think it goes wrong here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So copy from here. Yeah. Yeah. Fix. Fix. You're almost there because right now, so you are fixing the SM message. Now you are fixing the date. When the date is the matching, it's not working. So now it's fixing the date. And also they're different, undo it again. So you can go back. Let me make you faster. So you can go back to the terminal and click on up. No, you can go back to the terminal, go up. No. Go to the terminal, the local one. Yeah. And then click on up arrow. Yes. Enter. And the password. Yeah. Yes. Enter. No. Okay. Cool. You're almost there. Yeah. Let's. Cool. Yeah. Let's see if this last round works. It should be working. But it's better before you tell everyone. You need to do some testing. You try to say, hey, if I post 10 items, what will happen? Live. After do a lot of testing, then you can go live. So that's the whole process of developing. So you try to build something locally and test it locally, but it doesn't mean that it works on the server. So you need to test it locally and test it on the server. That's how you like make sure everything works fine before you launch. So you need to do a lot of testing. I think this time should be working. It should be working now. I don't see any error right now. As long as soon as the whole building process is working, then it's working. Not yet, not finished yet, not finished yet. Okay. Are you able to wait for 20 seconds before this finish? You don't want it in hanging there. Oh, just it's finished building everything right now. Okay, you still have one or two more error you need to fix, but the process is the same. Copy and paste into the in the and then yeah, it's already safe. Yes, no, you can. Yeah, just close the cursor. Yes. Just make sure you're on the way, and then you know, okay, you're getting there, getting there, getting there. It probably takes more than 15 minutes, but you're on the right track. That's more important. You're not messing up and then go further away. You're actually almost almost there. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay.